Why the industry needs SEO. Buyer personas in engineering purchasing roles in the materials industry rely on the internet to find the information they need to make informed specifications and purchase decisions. 98% of online experiences begin with a search engine. With so many people searching, you need to improve your building material supplier website for search engine optimization. But most materials companies who have a regular marketing department, or hire a standard, and not an industry-focused marketing company will fail or will have mediocre SEO results. 5 steps industries can do to increase SEO traffic. 1. Analyze your website SEO. Utilize different interfaces to get valuable data about your website and your competitors. 2. Start local. Google My Business has proven that your company should start locally to get a better rank, and it's free SEO for your business. Do not forget that Google has its hands everywhere and GMB is one of its beloved SEO strategies. 3. Choose your SEO keywords carefully. You should think about the purpose of your website when selecting keywords. It will be very competitive to use simple, basic industry descriptors such as metal standard. Long-tail keywords should be more specific to your work and the industries you are targeting. Make sure you do your keyword research and use keywords that appeal to your target audience. 4. Video marketing. Video SEO and video marketing are vital tools for upselling and cross-selling. Websites with video have 92% more chances to hit page 1 of Google than business competitors. A video on a landing page boosts conversions by 80% and increases clicks by 300%. 5. Content marketing. With content creation, you'll provide your audience with valuable information they seek. Content SEO for industries may include blog posts, infographics, videos, podcasts, and obviously ebooks. The final conclusion is: get in touch with industry marketing solution like MapMatch or equivalent materials who know about marketing for industry, suppliers, and manufacturers.